Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll be unboxing this classic essentials 1.5 liter saucepan or milk boiling pan, which is stainless steel and induction bottom compatible. I mainly purchased this item for this induction stove. Previously I unboxed this lifelong induction stove, but the main setback is we need to only keep the compatible items on this to cook. Okay, I don't have any compatible items even to boil the milk. That's the very reason I have ordered this, and this I purchased for 460 rupees. This would be a very good deal. You see here, this is the classic essential brand, and the material is triply. You can say triply in the sense the outer part is stainless steel, the middle layer is aluminum, and the outer part, again this outer part is stainless steel. So induction only supports stainless steel or iron, cast iron, like such, right? So this would be compatible. Anyway, I'm doing the practical test now. Okay, I'll be removing this tag, this classic essential, and I'll be checking that. And for the initial impressions, when I hold this looks pretty heavy. Let us check the weight here. Okay, it is showing almost like 900 grams, 880 grams here. I feel heavy here. Okay, when I keep heavy on this side, and the quality is looking decently good. And this I purchased for 200 rupees, which is a digital weighing scale, which is rechargeable battery, comes with adapter also. I'll be dropping this in the view products or in the description, you can check for more details. And this I purchased for 1300 rupees, the lifelong induction based stove. Anyway, we are going to test this now by, maybe I can boil some water, so I'll be switching this off. Yeah, and this is looking pretty good quality. Okay, if I want to check more details here, this is 16 centimeters. Okay, the product here, and as I said, this is induction compatible. See here, it has clearly stated that it is induction compatible, solid hot plate, ceramic also you can use, and electric also you can use, on gas also you can use. So this is the multi-purpose saucepan, you can say, which is of a triply series, and this brand also classic essential also, which is a well-known brand. That's the reason I have purchased, and the ratings are also good, 4.3. That's the reason I have purchased this. And see here some more information: induction and gas friendly, capacity is 1.5 liter. Anyway, I'll be adding this in the view products. If you want to check, you can check. Okay, and it is saying induction bottom, it is no, so I need to check. Here it is mentioned like induction and gas friendly. Let us check this. Yeah, this is the bottom area, and here also it is mentioned like classic essentials. Maybe that's the reason they didn't mention that this is induction bottom. This is not the induction bottom. Okay, nowhere it is mentioned like induction bottom, but we'll check this. Okay, yes, see here, I just took water here. This is the lifelong, right? Let me switch on this. Let us just boil water, so that I'll be clicking on the power, and let me keep it to, where is the milk here, milk. Okay, so there is no error here. So this is induction compatible, and the water is already getting boiled here. See here, you can see it is perfectly working fine. So to make tea or to boil milk, or as the saucepan, you can use this. See here. Okay, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.